So, if you want to say, I must speak with you, would be, I must.
Je dois. Oh, that's je dois.
Right.
Je dois.
Right. Je dois
Je
speak.
dois parle.
No. Whenever you have two or three consecutive verbs, you do not conjugate the second or the third verb, the full verb.
Je dois parler.
With you.
Avec vous.
Right. Je dois parler avec vous. Yes, I must speak with you. And he must be here soon would be?
Il doit.
Il, once more. Say it again.
Il doit.
Il. Yes.
Il doit.
Be.
Être
here.
Ici.
Soon.
Bientôt.
Right. Il doit être ici bientôt. So you follow the sound of I. Je dois, so il doit. Yes. How would you say, she must be ready now?
Elle doit
be.
Être prête.
Right. Very good. Yes.
What was it, soon?
Now.
Oh, now. Maintenant.
Right. Elle doit être prête. Yes. He must be ready would be il.
Prêt.
Right. So he must be ready would be
il doit
be
être
ready.
Prêt.
Right. Il doit être prêt. It must be ready.
Oh.
It is
ça.
Right.
Ça doit être prêt.
Right.
Maintenant.
Right. It must be ready now. Ça doit être prêt maintenant. Yes. It can be ready would be.
Ça peut être
ready.
Prêt
right.
Maintenant.
Ça peut. Yes. I can and je peux. So ça peut être prêt. Yes. Peut is for it can is spelled P-E-U-T. And the T like the S may be, if you wish, may be pushed over into the vowel. Like can be. It was fine, what you said, ça peut, cut, être prêt. But you can also say, ça peut
être.
Right, ça peut être prêt, yes. It so happens that peut-être, can be, may be, also is used for perhaps. Peut-être.
Peut-être.
Yes, maybe, perhaps. Peut-être. So, peut-être actually has two meanings. Yes. It may be used for maybe, or can be, but also for perhaps. So you may say, perhaps it can be ready now. What do you say?
Peut-être.
Peut-être, for perhaps, peut-être, it can be ready now.
Il peut. No, ça peut. Être. Ça peut être prêt.
No.
No, not.
Yes.
Yes, prêt. Maintenant.
Right. Peut-être, ça peut être prêt maintenant. So here we have peut-être twice. Yes. Peut-être. Yes.
Ça is comme
Ça means
comme
it.
ça.
Right.
It means
ça means
it.
that or it.
That
in the beginning
or
of a sentence, you use it for it.
Okay.
Except for it is, which is say. Yes. For it is not, ce n'est pas. But otherwise, ça. So we have peut-être for can be, maybe, or perhaps. In spelling, peut-être for perhaps is hyphenated. Without a hyphen, it means can be. But in speaking, it's the same. Peut-être. It must be ready now.
Ça doit
Right. Ça doit, right. Be ready.
être prêt.
Right. Ça doit être prêt, or ça doit être prêt. You see, I must is
Je dois.
je dois. Je dois. Do you happen to remember how to spell dois? Je dois?
No.
No. Okay. Good. Je dois is spelled D-O-I-S.
Oh.
Because for I, for the first person, for I, if it is not an ER verb, if it is an ER verb, you just rub the R and you have an E, yes? But otherwise, you have an S for I, meaning for self.
Yes.
S for self. And he and she has the same sound as I, except for the three exceptions. For he and she has a T. So think of he and she for tea. Yes. And I for self. In spelling.
Yes.
If you need it, yes. For instance, to do or to make is
Faire.
faire, right? Spelled F-A-I-R-E. How would you say I do or I'm doing?
Je fais.
Je fais, yes. You drop the R. But in spelling, how would you spell it? Je fais.
With an S.
F-A-I-S, right.
Yeah.
Just drop the R, but you have an S for S for self. He's doing.
Il fait.
Il fait, spelled
F-A-I-T.
F-A-I-T. He and she for T. How would you say, it makes a big difference that way?
Ça fait.
Right. Now you start with ça, yes, for it. Ça fait
Une grande différence.
like that.
Comme ça.
Right. Ça fait une grande différence comme ça. To say or to tell in French is such a dear, dear word. What is it? Oh yeah, it's dear. Just dear is to say and to tell. Oh dear. Spelled D-I-R-E. Dear. So